here's a question for you. Why are we still using legacy software built 30 years ago in 2026? In today's video, I want to talk about an AI-powered next-generation drawing tool called Rayon.design that many architects and interior designers are moving their focus towards. They're saying goodbye to legacy CAD software and hello to smarter, faster, more intuitive, collaborative tools. So here's what we'll cover today. First of all, what is Rayon.design? Second, how Rayon.design works compared to traditional CAD systems. Why Rayon is especially powerful for students and modern day interior design firms. The real workflow advantages for interior design, layouts, and floor plans. And of course, when legacy CAD software is still applicable, but more importantly, when it's really not required. So let's dive into it. First of all, what is Rayon.design? Well, there's a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Rayon.design is an online design and documentation tool. It allows anybody, you, me, your next door neighbor, to sign up completely for free and start testing it out today. Being an online tool makes it incredibly versatile, and you can access it from almost anywhere. So what can you do? Well, you can draw architectural floor plans, interior design, room layouts, space planning, furniture plans, and even sections and elevations. It basically provides you with CAD level precision, a simple visual interface, all backed by AI intelligence behind it. And best of all, like I mentioned, it's cloud-based, so you can collaborate with your peers or even your neighbor if you're really desperate. So let's break down Rayon.design versus legacy CAD. When we're talking legacy CAD, we're talking things like AutoCAD. So let's start there. AutoCAD has a steep learning curve. There is so many shortcuts, so many commands that takes weeks, if not months, to just get your head around it, let alone the years it takes to actually master AutoCAD. Most of you would be relying on videos like my own on YouTube to learn and master this software, all whilst trying to figure out the incredibly complex interface. Whereas Rayon.design is completely different. It's intuitive and simple to use. I personally picked it up without watching any tutorials at all. Now that's amazing in its own merit. In all honesty, it probably takes a couple days to become a super user in Rayon. And if you're a student, well, you can sign up with your academic email account and get complete student access, which makes it perfect for all of your assignments, all of your documentation, interior, architecture, it doesn't matter. Students and professionals alike, this is the software you really should be looking at. Speed and productivity is the next biggest element we need to talk about here. Legacy CAD is slow, unreliable, and comes with a constant update every year. It takes a massive effort to migrate your project from one version to the next, and a huge expense to do that at the same time. You're constantly drawing manual elements, placing zones that are incredibly difficult and tedious to attach to the right areas. Zooming in and out, snapping to bits and bobs, writing a million lines of code, and trying to remember the commands you learned 20 weeks ago while still learning the software. Rayon.design again knocks that out the park. It's a different ballgame. The AI panel, first of all, allows you to do renders and create custom blocks all inside Rayon, not even learning a third-party software. You just type it in, it does the rest for you. It's got smart blocks that you can adjust and manipulate like parametric objects in BIM software. So yes, we're comparing legacy CAD, but it's utilizing those smarter features from BIM directly into Rayon.design. And when it comes to styling and editing your floor plans, well, you've got hatches, you've got fills, all built into Rayon. If you can't find the one you need, just import it straight away. It's just so intuitive to use. What takes hours in a legacy CAD software would probably take you a few minutes in Rayon. We touched on block libraries and assets. Now, legacy CAD software is traditionally a block library, and it's come a long way, but it's still predominantly manual block generation. It takes a lot of time and effort to build your block libraries, and if you're not using what comes in the software, well, you're probably going to be spending most of your time building blocks, not building designs. Rayon literally has thousands of blocks available to you. I'm not even kidding when I say thousands. It covers furniture to people, to dogs and cats and birds. If you're looking for cars or walls or doors or windows, Rayon genuinely has it. And better yet, they're constantly flooding that block library with more assets. If you can't find what you need, the AI panel will make the block for you. I've covered a video on that previously. It just makes life so easy. But let's talk about the small fish in the big pond, Collaboration on legacy CAD software is extremely difficult. Collaboration on current BIM software is extremely difficult. You're either exporting files or having Teams meetings or trying to communicate a detail through screenshots and video sharing. It's just tedious, and it really shouldn't be. Rayon.design just again flips the script. Being cloud-based allows multiple users to log on at any given time, look at the same drawing, collaborate and communicate in real time. So if I wanted to look at a drawing, place a comment, mark something up, somebody else on that document would know immediately what I was talking about. There's no more Teams chats and video calls. It's simple collaborative documentation right there in the home of Rayon.design. Now, as a professional architect, this is incredibly versatile because we work with teams, and teams means there's multiple people, multiple collaborators. So having the ability to collaborate with others in your own team outside of your office is incredibly powerful. As a student, you're usually working in groups on group projects. This again is going to speed up your workflow so much. I know as an architecture student back in the day, we didn't sleep. We stayed up 48, 72 hours straight to get our assignments done. Why? Because we were dragging and dropping files, communicating late in the afternoon, trying to make sure everything aligned. It just didn't work. And when it finally came down to output and professional standards, our drawings looked childish because Legacy CAD doesn't really guide you in the right direction. You have to know what you're doing to be able to produce professional documents. Even understanding how to export DWGs, DXFs, PDFs out of AutoCAD or any Legacy CAD software is another tutorial you gotta watch. Instead, Rayon.design, again, super simple. You have faster revisions, you can export to live links, you can export as PDF in 2 clicks. You have an AI panel if you're lost that helps you and guides you along the way. And at the end of the day, there's thousands and thousands of templates that guide you and show you what a professional set of drawings really should look like. Better yet, those templates are free. I've linked a few down below. Now let's talk about when and who should use Rayon.design and when and who shouldn't use Rayon.design. If you're an architecture student, this is a must try. You can learn the software without any design frustrations. You can produce better, faster documentation and collaborate with your peers. You can spend less time debugging your layers and spend more time producing better looking plans. For students, Rayon gives you some sleep back. It's a learning accelerator, not just a design tool. For architects and interior designers looking to make the switch, well, 2026 is the time to do it. With Legacy CAD software jacking up their prices so high per year, it's making our hearts bleed. There is no better time to look at a much cheaper, faster alternative. As professionals, it's a cleaner, faster workflow. The transition between Legacy CAD and Rayon.design is very smooth, so you're not wasting months trying to transition to a new software. And of course, you can collaborate, link, share all in the one platform. You're not jumping between all sorts of different software. And with AI becoming the biggest talk of the town, we are slowly trying to maintain our status as architects, designers, and interiors. We're trying to keep our value. And to be able to compete with AI, we must move faster, which Rayon allows us to do. But here's the thing, honestly, Rayon.design isn't for every project. It isn't for everybody. You have to understand that it has its own limitations. If you're looking for highly technical documentation, working on large infrastructure or complex engineering projects, Rayon isn't for you. If you're a firm deeply rooted into legacy software and have hundreds of employees and thousands of licenses, then Rayon probably isn't for you. But if you're working on concept designs, if you're working on interior design packages, if you have students entering your firm, if you're doing space layout planning documentation or anything similar, then Rayon.design is better suited for faster iterations with your team. So what are my closing thoughts? Well, architecture is about moving forward. Architecture is about designing better buildings and sometimes designing them faster so they're not outdated by the time they get built. Rayon.design doesn't replace our way of architectural thinking. It doesn't provide you with a rigid box you have to conform to. Instead, it removes everything that gets in the way of what we're actually paid and destined to do. So if you're looking to draw faster, think clearer, or work with your team, Rayon.design is something you must try in 2026. Anyway, that's all for me, team. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. And like always, I'll see you next week.